Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Okay, so children, today is our maths class, and today we are going to learn about the concept of short, shorter, and shortest. Short means छोटा, shorter means उससे छोटा और shortest means सबसे छोटा. Okay children, so in this class you will able to compare heights of objects and decide which one is short, which one is shorter and which one is the shortest. Okay children, so now here are some examples. Okay, so children, I have 3 color pen. Okay, so this one is short, this one is shorter and this one is shortest among these. Okay, this one is short, this one is shorter and this one is shortest. Means ये short है मतलब छोटा है, shorter ये इससे छोटा है and shortest means ये color इन दोनों से सबसे छोटा है. Now children, let's see one more example. I have 3 pencils. Okay, so this pencil is short and this pencil is shorter and this pencil is shortest. Means short pencil means छोटी pencil, shorter means इससे छोटी pencil and shortest, shortest means इन दोनों pencil से छोटी मतलब सबसे छोटी pencil. Now next example is I have one Fevicol bottle and 2 Fevisticks. Okay, so Fevicol bottle is short. Okay, and this Fevistick is shorter than Fevicol bottle. Okay, this Fevistick is shorter than Fevicol bottle. Means ये वाली Fevistick Fevicol bottle से छोटी है and this Fevistick is shortest than these. Okay, so children, the Fevicol bottle is short, this Fevistick is shorter and this Fevistick is shortest. Means Fevicol bottle जो है छोटी है, Fevistick इससे छोटी है और ये वाली Fevistick इन दोनों से छोटी है मतलब सबसे छोटी. So children, I hope you understood the concept of short, shorter and shortest. Okay, so now your today's homework is you have to do this work in your maths notebook. What we have to do? You have to color the short object blue, shorter object yellow and shortest object red. ओके चिल्ड्रन, आपको क्या करना है, आपको अपनी मैथ्स की नोटबुक में ऐसे पिक्चर ड्रॉ करनी है और उसमें आपको शॉर्ट ऑब्जेक्ट जो हैं उसमें आपको ब्लू कलर करना है, शॉर्टर ऑब्जेक्ट में आपको येलो कलर करना है एंड शॉर्टेस्ट में रेड करना है। ओके चिल्ड्रन? Okay children, so let's revise it again. Okay, now tell me which one is shorter. Yes, this one is shorter. Okay, and which one is short? Yes, this one is short. And which one is shortest? This one is shortest. Very good. Okay children, now tell me which pencil is short? Yes, this pencil is short. And which pencil is shortest? This pencil is shortest. And which pencil is shorter? This pencil is shorter. Very good. Now children, tell me which one is shortest? Yes, this Fevistick is shortest. And which one is short? This Fevicol bottle is short. And which one is shorter? This Fevistick is shorter. Very good. So children, you have to do this work in your maths notebook, okay, and send it to me. Okay, bye bye. Take care and God bless you all.